For those who are still joining or who are just joining us, this is Gemini TV, a channel that provides solution to students who are offering biology and chemistry. And also, we'll be looking at various areas that you will need to know, and also use the comment section to type in a particular topic you are facing challenges in either biology or chemistry. But for today, we looked at calculation involved in titration. There are a lot of parameters that are usually involved that will be given to calculate when you are doing your practicals, especially for those who are doing doing chemistry, that is general chemistry year one, and also those who are preparing for their external exam, like students in writing YA. You'll be given some of the practical questions to do calculation in it. We are going to look at the various parameters used in doing calculation in chemistry. One of the parameters we are going to look at is average volume of acid. How do you calculate average volume of acid? Number two of the parameter is concentration. We have concentration in moles per dm cube. It is either you are asked to calculate concentration of acid in moles per dm cube, or you are asked to calculate concentration of base in moles per dm cube. Another parameter is concentration in grams per dm cube. Concentration in grams per dm cube. It is either you are asked to calculate the concentration of acid in grams per dm cube, or you are asked to calculate the concentration of base in grams per dm cube. Another thing you are going to ask is molar mass. Molar mass. It is either you are to calculate the molar mass of acid or molar mass of base. That is always given in grams per mole. Another thing you are going to add, you are going to calculate that they will ask you is atomic mass. Remember, there is difference between atomic mass and atomic number. Now, when we talk about atomic mass and molar mass, when we talk about molar mass, we are talking about the sum of proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom. Like when you combine this proton and the neutron in the nucleus of an atom, it gives you what? Molar mass. Why only proton in the nucleus of an atom gives what? The atomic number. For instance, you have carbon. Carbon atomic number of carbon is 6, but the molar mass of carbon is 12. So you'll be asked to calculate the atomic mass of a particular number or compound, or also you also calculate the molar mass of a compound. You also looked at another compound. You also looked at another thing that you will be looking at percentage impurity. You have percentage purity and impurity of a solution. So whatever you are looking at, it is either you are looking for any of this one. We also looked at volume of or mole ratio. Number 7, mole ratio. You will be asked to calculate the mole ratio. It is either you calculate the mole ratio of acid or you calculate the mole ratio of base. Then another thing you will be asked to calculate is the number of moles of water of crystallization. Number of moles of water of number of moles of water of crystallization. Then we also looked at the volume of a solution. You will also be asked to calculate the volume of solution. Number 9, we have volume of solution. You have a volume of solution. Then you will be asked also to calculate there is one particular thing that you will be asked is the volume of carbon dioxide liberated at STP. Volume of carbon 4 oxide at STP. STP is a standard temperature and pressure. So whatever you are being given in this to calculate in any area here, we are going to have there are videos that involve the calculation of each of these parameters. We have a video of average volume of acid, concentration in moles per dm cube, concentration in grams per dm cube. We have the molar mass, we have the atomic mass, we have percentage of purity and impurity, we have the mole ratio, we have the number of moles of water of crystallization, we have the volume of solution, and we have the volume of carbon dioxide liberated at STP. So whatever you are being asked to calculate, if any parameter you want to calculate that is not here, you can just hit the comment section that you need so a parameter to be calculated. A video will be generated or will be made for that particular parameter. So we will look at one example that we are going to solve these 3 things. The subsequent video, you just subscribe to it. You have more videos that cover the whole of these parameters.